You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to be able to get Netflix for free. Netflix is an app in which you use to watch movies and any kind of movies in which you're thinking of, either the premiering one or other things. You can be able to use Netflix to watch movies and a whole lot. And mostly people pay a whole lot of money online to be able to get Netflix. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to get Netflix for free without paying anything. And you don't even need to create any account. No account is required. So if you find this video interesting, make sure to click on the like, share this video to others, and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel, because that's the only thing in which I'm asking for you to do, because people pay a whole lot of money to be able to get this knowledge, but I'm giving this for free. So the only thing in which you owe me is to be able to like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. So let's dive into today's video. So one of the first things which you need to be able to do to be able to get Netflix for free is the fact that you have to do some settings in which I'm going to be showing you on either your smartphone device, depending on what you are using to be able to watch this Netflix. But I myself, I'm using my phone, so I'll be using my phone to show you this step-by-step tutorial for you to be able to get all these benefits without paying any money online. Pay either daily or weekly or monthly subscription online. You don't need to pay any money to be able to enjoy all these Netflix benefit. So one of the first things which you need to do is the fact that you need to be able to do these simple things in which I'm going to be showing you on my phone, and you get to see all these things step by step. So first thing which you need to do is to come to Play Store. The reason why you need to come to Play Store is to do just one simple settings, or just in case if you have Netflix on your phone, you have to delete the one in which you have on your phone before you can be able to do all these things which I'm going to be showing you on this video. So now once you come to Play Store, the next thing you have to go to your profile to be able to do this one simple setting before we can now proceed to how you can be able to get the Netflix and be able to watch movies and everything. So now you have to, once you come to the settings, you have to come to Play Protect. You have to come to Play Protect and disable these settings, because if these settings are not disabled, you won't be able to use these Netflix app in which I'm going to be downloading on my phone. So you have to put these settings off before you can be able to get this free Netflix account. Another important thing after putting these things off is the fact that the main purpose you have to put this thing off is for you to be able to get it, because Play Protect protects any app for you to be able, just in case the app is not certified by Play Store, they don't add it. So it's not like the app is harmful or whatsoever. So that's the main purpose of doing this. Then you have to go out of Play Store. Then another important thing which you need to do is the fact that you need to go to this site which I'm going to be showing you. You can either use your Chrome browser or use your Firefox browser, or any browser in which you are using. You have to be able to use your browser to be able to do these things. If you are benefiting from this video, make sure to give it a like, because it helps the video to get more reach and get more followers for this channel to be able to grow. So the next thing which you need to do is to go to your browser and come to this site, modder.me. This is the site in which you're going to go, and I'm going to be showing you everything step by step. Then you click on these sites for you to be able to get the Netflix account. So now you need to now search for Netflix in which you are looking for, in which you want to use, so that you can be able to watch movies for free. So this is Netflix. You can see it, Netflix Premium Unlocked. So with this Netflix Premium Unlocked, you can be able to use Netflix, watch movies, and there are certain settings in which we are going to be doing on this app. So you have to stay focused on everything which I'm going to be showing you. So now we click on Netflix, and you need to note something. This is a site. This site is full of ads. They post that, so at times when you click something, ads might pop up, but you just need to be patient for these ads to load. Then before you can now be able to download whatsoever you want to download. So this is the Netflix app. Then we come to download. Ads can also pop up while you are clicking these things, but you just need to go back. That's all you need to do. So this is the Netflix app. So you can see over here, it's saying if the app is not installed on your phone, remove old version. So it's very important you remove the old version. If you already have Netflix on your phone, you need to remove the old version before you can be able to install this one, because these two apps cannot work together. You have to remove one and install this new one, in which I'm going to be showing you. So just click on the notification or click on Netflix APK. That's all you need to do. So another ad has popped up. So once you see this, all you need to do is to click on download, or I will advise, if the download doesn't come automatically, you can see it over here. If the download doesn't start in a few seconds, click here. So it's important you click it. So once you click it, it's going to download these apps, and once the app finish downloading, you just need to do what? Install it into your phone. There's no problem on that. So I'm also going to be showing you for you to see. So you can see it download here. You can see I've already downloaded it, so it's asking me to download again, so I don't need to do that. But if you are downloading it, you just need to do what? Click on download, and this app is going to download. And you can see that the size is not that much. It's just 37.61 megabytes. So now let me cancel and let's go to the Netflix app, in which I myself have already downloaded into my phone. So now let's go back to the beginning. Now let me come to Netflix for you to see that this thing is actually on my phone and is working. This is the Netflix app in which I just opened. This is the app, and you can see that I'm sliding it for you to see what is actually going on my phone. So it's not like it's a fake something or whatsoever. So there's a whole lot on this place. They have latest movies, and you can also search for movies depending on whatsoever in which you are looking for. We have latest movie, we have these other movies in which you can see. I don't want to call names due to copyright strike, but you'll be seeing all this. And so I'm just going to play one of these movies. There are latest movies in this particular Netflix app for you to be able to watch and enjoy yourself. And all you need for this to be possible is to just get a data and get this Netflix app, and that's all. You get to enjoy Netflix movies and a whole lot for free, so you don't need to do anything much. So let's just play one of this movie for you to see how it looks like. Let's come to the Mufasa the Lion King for you to see how this thing actually is, if it's work or not. So there's nothing on my phone. All I have is just my data, so I can select the streaming format and the language. So this is it for us to see how this thing actually looks like. It's as simple as ABC for you to be able to do all this. And you need to know something. These apps contain ads, just what I explained. You can see ads coming up, so that's just the only thing which you need to do to be able to enjoy these apps. So after the ads finish playing, so we're going to now watch this movie for you to see. So you can see it's actually playing for us to see how this thing looks like. So this is the Lion King. So I'm speeding it. I'm going next for you to see that these movies are actually working. So this is actually how you get the Netflix for free without paying any money. So I believe you find this video interesting. Make sure to give it a like, make sure to share, and most importantly, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because I have a whole lot of videos coming up, tech unboxing, mobile phone, smartphones, or whatsoever in which we have to unbox and reviews. These are what I do. So if you find this video interesting, make sure to give it a like, share, and subscribe to this channel. So thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.